To organize your time and activities, what you should do is to have Habitnow in your cell phone. Now you will have the main screen. If you click on the plus symbol, you will read Habit, Recurrent Tasks, Homework. If you click on Habit, you will have these categories. Click on the one you prefer. Then select the item and define your habit, in this case cycling. Now choose how often you want to do it. You can choose start date, end date. Then time and reminder. Click on Finish. So, you will have your activity ready. Here you can check your calendar. In this habits icon you can check which of them have programs. And in tasks, you find which are the simple tasks and recurring tasks in categories. So you will have our custom categories or default categories. And how many records do you have? This way you can monitor your new routines, and be more orderly in your life.